So guys, I'm using the Suave air conditioner, and I'm using one avocado, lime, and coconut oil. So this is how it's looking.
You want to give me the cash?
So you guys, to apply the air mask, you want your hair to be clean, and I'm using the Tresemme shampoo to wash my hair. My hair is a little bit down. I'm just going to apply the shampoo, then wash it off. So guys, my hair is freshly washed. I'm going to go ahead and apply my DIY hair mask. I'm just going to take a little portion of my hair, and I'll start applying from the tip. Like guys, this smells so nice. So nice, you guys. From the tip, then I'll work my way up. So guys, I've applied the mask to my hair. This is how my hair is looking right now. So this is how my hair is looking right now. I'm just going to go ahead and put on my plastic cap, and I will let it sit for about an hour. Guys, I'm going to let this sit about an hour, then I'll just go ahead and rinse it off. So guys, this is how my hair is looking after the hair mask. Like, my hair feels so hydrated, you guys. Like, this mask is so good. This is how my hair is looking after the hair mask. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, please leave it in the comment down below, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.